Oh my god, my heart is like racing. Hey, little nurse shark, what you doing? I think it's a nurse shark or a lemon shark. I don't know, they all look the same. Lola, come here. Get away from the water.
And you can put like, some people run by the ocean, he runs in the ocean.
I don't know.
I just want to know, y'all getting in this Uber or no? Because the last person who got in this Uber, what the heck? Who's getting in that? Who's getting in it?
What the hell? What is this shit?
I got the horses in the back, horse stock is attached. Head is matted black, got the bushes black to match.
Tigre, acá. ¿Tú me quieres decir a mí that we are only allowed to party till 11 p.m.? Dude, I can see all of us leaving work at 3 in the afternoon to go turn up at Space or Tootsie's or Wynwood, wherever the hell you guys like to go, because, you know, we gotta be home by 10. Because that curfew kicks in at 11, your ass better be home by 10. Oof, only in days about to have endless content, so y'all get your cameras ready, because it's about to be a shit show.
Miami-Dade, there are some islands like this. Look at this view, how beautiful. Wow. It's a nice Wednesday, today's Wednesday. Nice Wednesday. It's a nice Wednesday, today's Wednesday. Nice Wednesday. And look at the color of this water. Feels like we are in a paradise or something. We're going right now to the monument of the Cape Light Tower. The Goblin Cut Inlet that goes all the way to the port of Miami. Here we are overflying the pier. And see all the people.